Hi guys, I'm JG Boy, and my guest for today is Johnny Boy from the Dangerous Malili Band.
Yeah!
Hi Johnny.
Hi, JJ boy.
Johnny, what are you going to teach us today?
Today I'm gonna teach you the song Pusit.
Wow, that's my favorite
Yeah, man.
song. Yeah!
Yeah!
Let's sing it, man.
Wait, this is the chords.
What?
First, I will teach you the chords. Of
Yeah,
Pusit.
the chords.
Yeah!
What is the
Yeah,
chords, man?
chords, man! Yeah!
Give me the chords, man.
First, the first chord of Pusit is A.
A. See guys, it's just A.
Yeah, man. A, man. The second chord is D.
D.
That's all.
Is that it?
Yes!
Let's sing it.
Okay, 5,
4, 3, 2.
Patikim ka na nga ng puset na bumubusit-set.
Wow. It's awesome, man. It's all that, man. You don't have to look like us to sing that song.
Let's try it.
Let's try it again.
5, 6.
7, 8. Nakatikim ka na ba ng pusit? Pusit-set.
Stop na.
Break it down.
Stop.